Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You want to start removing the sticker while the adhesive is soft. Power the machine down and take out the battery if you can. That prevents accidental damage. Heat the sticker with a hair dryer on medium for about 30-45 seconds so the glue loosens. This reduces tearing. Once done, use a plastic card at a low angle to lift an edge slowly. You'll see the corners separate. Make sure to have isopropyl and a microfiber ready to clean residue immediately. Now you'll progress into the core removal. Lift from one corner using the plastic card, not metal. This avoids scratches. Peel slowly, keeping the card nearly flush at a 10 to 20 degree angle. This minimizes adhesive stretching and leaves less residue. If the sticker tears, reheat that section and continue. Patience prevents gumming. You're aiming for a single smooth peel. Make sure to stop and reheat rather than force, because force increases residue and the chance of finish damage. Finish by removing any adhesive left behind. Dampen a microfiber with 70 to 90% isopropyl and rub gently in circular motions. The alcohol dissolves residue quickly and evaporates without harming most laptop finishes. For tiny crevices, use a cotton swab, then dry with a clean microfiber. If the surface feels sticky, repeat briefly. Troubleshooting tip: if finish dulls or reacts, stop and test a hidden corner with a milder cleaner like diluted dish soap. You can always consult a professional for delicate coatings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.